What does a 130-year-old know about the future? What does a bicycle mechanic know about cutting-edge technology? What does India's first iron plough have to do with renewable energy? As it turns out, a lot. Because creating solutions isn't what we know. It's about what we're prepared to learn together. Machinery and technology may have their limits, but dreams and the will to learn are beyond limits. Compressors, the beating heart of industry, don't just create incredible pressure, they withstand it. Gensets that power generations aren't built to be used, they're built to be depended upon. Chillers that cool hospitals aren't made to be robust, they are made to be indestructible. Solar panels and green technology aren't made for today, but they will build tomorrow. And the fire in the furnaces that move the world, they burn with ambition. You see, it's not about where we're from and what we've done. It's about where we're going and who we're going with. It's about you. It's about us, together, walking into a sustainable future, a future of possibilities, a future that's limitless.